lights. I'm trying to make a video here. Winter lights. Really, bruh? Water. Why is it so busy? What in the world is so busy? Oh, wow. Wrong. Zoom out. How do I do? 7. Okay, perfect. Oh, rainbow. Nice. That's better. There's a lot of heads. Why is it so white? Sorry. I smell food. I smell food. Oh, I was expecting that to zoom in, but what else? Busy and bright. Oh, we're gonna walk through that soon. We're pulling up, although there are many people. Oh, wow. That music. Pink stuff. And me. That was a bit random. That's cool though. Bright. Bright. Not so bright. Oh, never mind, it's kind of bright. Nice!
I don't think I put this on for no reasons.
Not so busy.
Sorry, it took me so long to do this.
Now that's a nice view if you were actually here. And also, by the way, if you want to come here, if you actually want to see this place, right, for yourself, right, you got to go to Canary Wharf in London. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. You guys couldn't see that. Did you see that? That was so cool. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I can breathe again. No, but seriously, I can actually breathe again. Back to the wingbird thingamajiggies. Why is it so bright? It's so bright on camera. Yeah. Not so busy anymore. Cool benches with lights that I can sit on. Purple trees. Oh, it's a playground with purple trees because of lights. Grass. I can finally touch grass again. I don't know if this is fake, but still, I want to touch grass. And it does make sense considering my channel is literally called Grassy Shorts.
Oh God, guys!
Like and subscribe as well. That's bright. Duck burger, duck wrap, duck salad, duck everything. Ooh. Nice. Water. Also nice. Okay, there's no barriers, so that's a bit scary. I don't think I want to go in there. No.
That looks scary. It's like dark.
It is scary. It looks deep as well. Why would I?
Wait, actually, wait.
I'm scared. My brain is tempting me to throw me and this phone into the river. No chance. Ha! 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 Take that, brain. This is a nice background if you can actually see it. Can they see it? Nice. Okay, pause the video. There's like lights underneath the bench. Ooh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but still. Oh, not now. Not now. That's nice. And I don't think this is even half the journey yet. This is nice. Ew. Water. Water. We shall continue our voyage. What voyage? What voyage? Is it voyage or voyage? Wow! Nya. Map. Ew. So much food choices. Oh my gosh. Way too busy as well. Don't think you can even hear me. But if you can, it's cool. A bird wing thingamajiggy again. Yeah! I just love that. It's just cool. It's just so cool. Oh, shiny. Me. I just took a picture of my feet. New area discovered. Oh wow. Oh, I was gonna sit on that. Oh, but it said like do not touch or something like that. Sounds a bit wrong. Ew, light. Wait. Just took a quick. Oh, I don't think he's decided. Japanese tree with hardly any flowers on it. That's a quick picture shot. Oh, that's a good picture. You can't disagree on that. Restaurant. I want to eat soon. Oh, me. Can we? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I thought that was no head, but there is a head. That's cool. Bulls under animals.
Gab,
Yeah?
you're so dear to me.
Thank you.
You get it?
Yes.
You're so dear to me. Just dear.
I'm so random. Anyways, continuing on with the water, if you couldn't even see it. Oh, this is slippery. Oh, that's cool. Oh, can I walk on here? Yeah. Oh. Yes. Hello. There are a bunch of things. Down the path we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Me? What do we eat? What do we eat? I'm hungry. But I'm also... Ooh, that's cool. What the? Playground for children, obviously. Cool bench that I think we're allowed to sit on because it doesn't say we're not. This bench is so tiny. Closer. Why are you hollow, mate? 2 mates, actually. Oh, that's... Oh, I'm going in there. Oh. Hallelujah. Oh, that's cool.
You know, I'm
Yeah. Wait, are you doing it? Yeah.
just press on the wall.
They don't love you like I love you. We are officially back. I don't think I recorded this part, but we were here earlier. Back here again. There's so many people. Yeah, but well, that was. I hate one of those days. Oh, this is why I always have to move out the way for others whenever you can. And then you can go, obviously. Back here. Nice.